right off the bat, we're thrown into a legal standoff. No deals, no compromises, just courtroom tension. This is what we call a plea impasse. And trust me, it's more common than you think. What would you do? Take the deal or roll the dice with a jury?
All right, what is happening with this case?
Well, Judge, we're at an impasse. I believe he has...
Oh, you all are all in different positions. He needs to be in the center.
Okay.
And Mr. Yes, Toshi, you're there, you're in the center. All right, so what's happening with his cases?
We're at an impasse, Judge. They have made offers on all cases. Mr. Gonzalez has refused the offers. I believe the cases are in different procedural statuses. One is pretty new, and then a couple are not that old, but older. So for now, we have no agreements on any of his indicted cases.
Okay, so I have 3 cases. It's only 3 cases, correct?
No,
5, Judge. 2 of them were just indicted, I think, a week ago.
yes,
The
it's
driving while intoxicated and then another evading.
All right, so the other 2 cases, what are they?
Driving while intoxicated and evading.
Quick legal note. DWI stands for driving while intoxicated, and evading refers to fleeing from law enforcement. Both are serious offenses. This courtroom drama isn't just heated, it's layered, with high-stakes criminal charges.
Where are they?
No, what are they? What is the offense?
A DWI and an evading, Judge.
Everybody seems to be whispering today. I don't know why. All right, so Ms. Ferguson, on Mr. Gonzalez, the evading arrest detention, is that the case that you all would proceed with trial first, or the felon in possession, or the unauthorized use? I'm assuming it's either going to be the felon in possession or the evading.
That'd be correct, Judge.
All right, so how much time are we expecting these trials to last?
It depends on which case they would proceed on, but I can't anticipate any of the trials would be long.
All right, so Ms. Ferguson, we're thinking maybe 2 days. Can I get a plea deadline date and a jury trial date?
I'm trying to sign today, man.
Well, if you guys want to go back and
No,
confer,
Judge, we're at an impasse. He's asking for something that he keeps asking me to ask them. They said no to 5 times. I'm not going to ask a 6th.
A year.
No. I don't want to know what the negotiation is, but let me explain something to you. And this is me coming to you from a person who's been a defense attorney and a prosecutor. The way plea
Legal insight. The judge gives a mini masterclass on plea deals. Offers, counteroffers, rejection. This is the judicial process in motion. It's like high-stakes poker, only the chips are years of someone's life. Would you take the deal or fight it?
negotiations work is the state makes an offer to your attorney tenders that offer to you. You can either accept it or reject it, or you can say, I want to accept this. This is what I'll accept. Then your attorney will go to the prosecutor with that. It's called a counter offer. And then the state can either say, no, we're not doing that. The only thing we're going to offer is what we previously offered. Then that's the end. So you're either going to jury trial or either you're accepting their offer. I'm assuming your attorney has informed you of that. So do you want to continue to talk to your attorney, or do you want your jury trial?
Yes, continue talking.
Okay.
Judge, we've gone over the numbers ad nauseum this morning. He wants a number, the state is, and I'm not being critical of either of these gentlemen. I'm just,
All right, so when
so many times I'm going to hit the horse that's dead.
Well, don't hit a dead horse. It's
Agreed.
blue.
Agreed.
So, Mr. Gonzalez, what your attorney is telling you is the offer is whatever the state made. They're not changing it. So if you don't want to accept that offer, you don't have to. I'm setting it for a jury trial.
Your Honor, can I get like 5 minutes to think about it?
All right, you can have 5 minutes.
Thank you.
I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you. All right, who's here on John Christian Gonzalez?
Told you if we just chat a little longer, it'd work out.
Your memory is so different from mine. But okay.
That's what happened, Judge.
All right, I'll let you finish.
We're done.
You sure? All right. And this is no application. All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 0658 and 2022 CR 5924, State of Texas versus John Christian Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Gearhead for the state, Your Honor.
Defense.
James Tochi for Mr. Gonzalez, Judge.
And are you John Christian Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Stating cause number 2022 CR 5924. Are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, ma'am.
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the habitual status.
All right, any objection?
No, ma'am.
And you say you're waiving the habitual. Are you waiving both paragraphs then?
Waive both of them, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Waiving both paragraphs, sorry, Your Honor.
Waiving both paragraphs means the defense is opting not to challenge previous convictions or enhancements. Translation: they're clearing the path for a smoother plea process. It's courtroom chess, not checkers.
No problem. And then in cause number 2023 CR 0658, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving both the enhancements in that case as well.
Any objection?
No, ma'am.
In cause number 2023 CR 0658, you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more. And in cause number 2022 CR 5924, you're charged with evading arrest, detention, and vehicle. Both of these are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
And each of the cause numbers, the state is asking that your punishment be assessed at 7 years in the prison. They would run concurrently. The state will take in consideration 2022 5926, 2022 5925, and 2023 CR 0657. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
It is, Your Honor.
Then in 2023 CR 0658, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, and no contest.
No contest, Your Honor.
And in cause number 2022 CR 5924, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, in each of the cases, Your Honor, state officer, state exhibit number 1 with this attachment.
Without objection.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, I'm showing you in each of the cause numbers what's entitled waiving consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony in each case. The court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, I can't read the writing, but with regards to the DWI and cause number 298863, which is from County Court at Law number 4, who was the judge there in 2009?
That one should have been Judge Sarah.
Okay, still you're on, okay.
Not-
No objection to the fact that his aunt was the judge.
Oh.
No, do you have any objection?
Oh, no.
Okay.
Wait a minute. This riffs. Fix.
It was not me, so.
All right. See, that's proof that I read everything.
Hmm? Okay.
All right. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments and each of the cause numbers, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are prepared for sentencing, yes, ma'am.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Judge, other than follow the agreement and of course giving his credit.
All right. Anything you wish to say?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right. In cause number 2022 CR 5924, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. Take in consideration 2022 CR 5926, 2022 CR 5925, 2023 CR 0657, and this will run concurrent with 2023 CR 0658.
Sentencing moment. Gonzalez gets 7 years in prison, but here's the twist. It's concurrent, meaning all sentences run at the same time. Think of it like serving all your punishments in one shot. Still harsh, but better than stacking them.
And then in cause number 2022 CR 0658, the court is finding you guilty. Court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 5924. Take in consideration 2022 CR 5926, 2022 CR 5925, and 2023 CR 0657. Is there anything else in that cause number with regards to sentencing? All right, Mr. Gonzalez, in each of the cause numbers, I'm showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand it?
Yes, sir.
And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
33, man.
All right, and you're the first person I've seen with a Spurs tattoo that actually has it colored in.
Yeah. That was the first year they actually won the championship, I believe. Back
So
in
you're saying
99.
that's why you got that.
Yeah, I like the old school color.
All right, so where are the people who are Cowboys fans with the color? Because I just don't see
That was
it.
before my time.
Judge, you can't see mine.
So how old are you?
33 now.
All right, so here's the thing. You were before me as a habitual, right?
Yeah.
If you come back with felony cases, your minimum could be 25 years in prison.
Yes.
Do you have children?
No, ma'am.
All right, that's a good thing, because
Yeah.
maybe you're not ready for that.
I just have a dog.
All right, well, your dog's gonna miss you, so
Yeah,
you need
she'll be all
to change your ways. Otherwise, you're gonna end in and out of prison. You're gonna look up, half of your life is gonna have been spent in prison.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Absolutely.
This ending hits deep. The judge warns Gonzalez that if he reoffends, he could face a minimum of 25 years. No kids, just a dog, and now 7 years behind bars. This is more than sentencing. It's a gut check on consequences. Would this be the wake-up call he needs?